Imagine this. A single mom finally saves enough to buy her first condo. It's a little run down, but she and her 8-year-old are over the moon. Finally, a place to call their own. They move in just as winter starts to bite, and the windows are incredibly drafty. She goes to her first condo meeting, excited to be part of the community, only to get some shocking news. Owners are responsible for replacing their own windows and doors. How could she possibly afford thousands of dollars for new windows right after buying the place? This heartbreaking situation could have been avoided. If she'd had a professional document review from Condo Check, she would have known about this major expense before she signed the papers. Don't let a dream turn into a financial nightmare. Before you buy, get your documents reviewed by a reputable company like Condo Check. Protect your investment.